Hello and welcome to One Lap. Like we do with every car, we are putting the 2019 Audi E-Tron, the all-electric Audi, around our track for one lap. This is a heavy beast and it's going to be interesting. Now the Audi e-tron is meant to be the luxurious EV, and this one's the top of the range, 55, big battery with massaging seats, which I will absolutely use for my lap around the track. It's not that fast, it's about 6 seconds, 0 to 60. It is dual motor, all-wheel drive, of course, but how will it do? I don't know. It's definitely going to be slower than I-Pace and slower than Model X, but there's only one way to truly find out. Let's line it up to the start line and give it everything she's got. And now you join me at the starting line in the Audi e-tron 55. That just means big battery. It's about 86 or 90 kilowatt hours, something like that. Great charging curve, fantastic road tripper with 150 kilowatt all the way to 80%. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for the fun stuff. So let's select and dial up dynamic mode here on the screen. It's dropping the suspension. That's pretty cool. I will select the seat massage, of course. And let's see, I have plenty to choose from. I'm gonna go for a activation massage, maybe a wave massage. It'll go up my back. That'll be nice. We're gonna turn the shifter to S, so you have drive and sport. Sport unlocks the boost functionality of the e-tron. You can only use it in short bursts, so we probably won't be able to use it too much. We're going to push and hold traction control off all the way. So there we go. Stability control off. Warning! Exclamation point. The Germans are like 9! So yeah, this is not what e-tron is meant for, but it's 5,000 something pounds, 5,500 pounds. It's a beast. It is literally a bank vault of a car. Let's see how it drives. So left foot on the brake, I'm gonna boost it up, torque the suspension, and launch it off. We have regen set to full, ESC off, massaging on, brake boost in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so it's a big behemoth. It's not Tesla fast. That's one thing you don't get with the Audi. We're already out of the boost function by now. And let's see, 90 miles an hour. We're gonna just brake a little early. This is a heavy car. Let's toss it in. Okay, we have a lot of weight moving around here. But it feels good. We're back to wide open power and full ABS brakes. And great balance, actually. The front tires are certainly working pretty hard. No question. But it feels heavy. It doesn't feel that rolly. It's just literally like driving a giant block of solid metal around the track. But because the weight's down low in the battery pack, it really feels quite good and hides some of this speed. I mean, we're doing 64 miles an hour around the big loop. That's faster than most cars. And it's heavy. These tires, though, it could use a little bit of a more progressive breakaway in the tire, I would like. Basically, when they start to squeal, they're getting pretty close to the end of their grip. I can hear ESP doing things. I don't feel it, but I can hear the brake pedal pulsing. And we're gonna go flat down the back section of the track. Let's see how it does. 90 miles an hour through the kink, 100 miles an hour, just touching, full brakes. Send it it into this corner. Full lift off oversteer. Went a little too hard into that corner, but that just means you're having fun. It's really a great chassis actually when you're pushing it hard. You're just gonna go through tires like crazy because of all the weight, and we're wide open down the back straight. I can't tell you enough how much I love this E-Tron. It's such a great car. Their massage is awesome. We just kicked out a boost and 105 miles an hour past the start finish for a very nice time. I mean, again, this is meant to be your long distance cruiser, your daily driver, massaging air conditioned seats, a comfortable Audi, and we're just shredding it around the racetrack, and it's not caring one bit. That is what you get with the Germans. They just build stuff that handles well and can do it all day long. Wow. E-Tron. Not enough people give this car credit or look at it, but it's actually quite dynamic. That is impressive, and a fairly good turning radius as well. I think I will drive home on adaptive cruise control and lane centering. It's just as good as autopilot on the highway. And now let's take a look back and reveal the lap time. The Audi e-tron launches pretty well, actually. It goes into boost mode, but then quickly loses its power burst after just a few seconds. Handling, you can feel the weight. This thing is 5,500 plus pounds. It loves to go into corners and move the earth. It is so heavy. However, the handling balance is really well. We all think of Audis as understeer machines. Not the case with the e-tron. This thing wants to lift off oversteer. That back axle is definitely moving around and looking for a little play. The massive brakes are truly massive, and they do hold up very well after one lap. How long they would hold up for continued use, I'm not sure. But I know what you're interested in is hearing how fast it completed the lap. And just like every car, we have a document in the description below that goes through every car's lap time in our one lap series. And the Audi e-tron completed the lap in an extremely respectable 1 minute 52 seconds. Pretty incredible. Definitely didn't expect that kind of time out of this car. It really was good on track. As always, we have a new episode every Monday and Thursday, 11 a.m. Eastern, and we'll see you on the next one.